All right, we're continuing lesson 31. It says classified quadrilaterals. Okay, session 2. We're going to compare them now. We compare them by their attributes or characteristics. Like, what are a couple things that we could compare them with? Okay.
Right angles.
So, we compare them by how many right angles they have, right? What else?
Side.
So obviously they all have 4 sides.
Angle.
Okay, angles, the length of each side. Okay, like a square has all sides of the same length. Anything else?
The parallel side.
Parallel, and then how many pairs of parallel sides do they have? Perfect. Okay. So look at number 1. It says tell which are rectangles. So out of all these, which ones are rectangles?
C and B.
C and B. B is a special one. Okay. Okay, but it's still a rectangle. It's just a special rectangle. Okay. Look at 2. Which ones are rhombuses?
F and H.
F and H. Because a rhombus, okay, has to have all equal. All the sides have to be the same length.
And have no right angle.
Okay, and they don't have right. Well, some of them might do. Okay, because H, it looks like H still has right angles. Okay, but mainly is that all sides are the same length. All right. So look at these 2 shapes. Okay, look at this question: is a square a rectangle?
Yes. Special rectangle.
Okay, so if the definition of a rectangle is it has 4 sides, right? Okay. Does it have 4 right angles? Yes, it does. Are opposite sides the same length?
Yes.
Yes, that's it. Does it have 2 pairs of parallel sides?
Yes.
Yes. The top and bottom is one pair. The left and right is another pair. Perfect. Okay. Now, is a rectangle a square? No. The only difference is that a square, all the sides are the same length, while the rectangle, the opposite sides are the same length. That means this side is equal to this side. Okay. The left side is equal to the right side. That's when they say opposite sides are the same length. Okay. While the square, all the sides are the same length, right? That's the only difference. So it says you can use a drawing to compare quadrilaterals. All quadrilaterals have 4 sides and 4 angles. That's true. All of them. Quad means 4, lateral means sides. 4 sides, 4 angles. Okay. Like a square. A square has 4 right angles. That's true. 2 pairs of parallel sides. That means the top is parallel to the bottom and the left side is parallel to the right side. So 2 pairs. Okay? And all 4 sides are the same length. Perfect. The rectangle, however, does have 4 squares. 4 right angles, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like a square, right? It does have 2 pairs of parallel sides. The top and bottom are parallel. The left and right is parallel, just like a square. The only difference is this. Only has 2 pairs of opposite sides of the same length. That means the bottom and top are the same. Okay, and the left and the right are the same length. So that's why they have 2 pairs that are of opposite sides that are the same length. Compared to a square, all the sides are the same length. All right, so here you have a square and a rectangle. You could use a table chart like this. They both have 4 sides and 4 angles, right? Yes?
Yes.
They both have 4 right angles. Good. Oops. My bad. So like this. Let me try to do a perfect square like that. And then here's a rectangle. Two pairs of parallel sides, yes, top and bottom, left and right, huh? Okay, two pairs of opposite sides that are the same length, yes. But on both shapes, the top is the same length as the bottom, right? And on both shapes, the left is the same length as the right. Okay, the right side and left side are the same length. Okay, four sides that are the same length. The only one is a square. Sometimes it could be a rectangle if it's this. Sometimes, not all the time. Sometimes. All right. Perfect. Go to page 695. Does every rectangle have all of the attributes of a square? No, because it doesn't have all the sides of the same length. So, no. This one's no. No means no. Does every square have all the attributes of a rectangle?
Yeah.
Yes, it does. CCC. Yes. All right. And we kind of did those two already. Look at this one. It says circle all the quadrilaterals below that are squares. Is the first one a square?
Yeah.
I'm on page 696. Is the first one a square?
Yeah.
Is the second one a square?
No.
No. Is the third one a square?
No.
No. And is the fourth one a square?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Boom. Partito dropped the mic. One way to define a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. Draw a trapezoid with two right angles. What?
That would be an upside down one.
Wait. Do number 9. It says circle all the quadrilaterals below. So yes, this is a rectangle. And this is a rectangle. Okay. And then somebody left it like that. Yes, true. Those are rectangles. But we also said that what again? A square is a special rectangle, just like all of you. You guys are all special.